Welcome to Notion Expert Tutorials, where we today are creating database views pointing to a shared database in our tool chest concept. I'm going to link the quick video that goes through the concept above if you want a quick view. And in this video, we're going to take things slow to make sure that you can follow along. Let's dig in. We'll start with a blank page. We call it View of Shared Database in the tool chest. The tool chest, as you remember, is our concept where we keep a nice set of tools for quick reuse on new pages. We'll pick a nice cover picture as well as an icon. The first thing to do is to fetch the tool chest. I'm using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl or Command P to switch page. There I go to the tool chest, which is a synced block. I select the synced block and I choose copy and sync. Once back in the page where I want it, I simply paste it. The last tutorial session we created a Gallery DB button, so we create a new database every time we click that button. Let's click that now to create the basis for today's tutorial. So what happened now is that we created a new gallery. We have our 3 vacation ideas from yesterday: Venice, Madrid and Rocky Mountains. And as you can see, it's contained inside a page. We'll go into it and we'll rename it to Shared Database of Vacation Ideas to signify that this is our shared database. We'll add a few more tags. We'll add Stockholm as a city in Sweden so that we can filter a bit better. We also put that near the ocean. For Stockholm, we do similar to the other ones. We go to Unsplash, we search for Stockholm, and we select a nice little picture for that. Now we have our shared database of vacation ideas, and as you can see, it happens to be the gallery view still. It doesn't matter, we're only going to use this for the data store. What we're doing now is a little bit more interesting. So we're creating a new view. We point that to our shared database. We keep it in the gallery view, but we select to also show the tags property. So now you can see all of our 4 vacation ideas showing up. We're going to create a template button, but we start with creating a container page. It's a little trick we use to save complex layouts inside the template button. So we create a new page. We call this Vacation Ideas view, and we signify that it's a thing to delete with turn into text, so we'll remember what to do. We back out and we put our gallery view inside the Vacation Ideas view. We do that by cutting it out with Ctrl or Command X and then pasting it with Ctrl or Command V. We then create a template button. We call it View for Vacation DB, and we drag and drop the entire page inside the content area of the template button. A very important thing to note here is that the view and the template button goes inside the synced block, our tool chest, while the page with the actual database stays outside. This means that it's only the view that will be recreated. We will still point at the same database. And in Notion, you can always move around the database and page. The views will still work. It will still point to the right place. So if you feel that you have a better way for the databases, you can move them there. Let's try our view button out. We'll create a new view pointing to our vacation ideas. We turn the generated page into text to reveal the gallery inside. We can add a new city here. We add Copenhagen. We tag it with city and with Denmark, and we do as previously. We go to the cover picture, we choose Unsplash, we search for Copenhagen, and we pick a nice picture. Now, as you can see, we have 5 vacation ideas, and as you know, these are stored in the shared database this time, so they will be replicated by any view that we select. For this first view, we're gonna look at only nature destinations. Then we click our button again. We generate another page with another view inside, pointing to the same database. We rename the first page to Nature Vacations, just to clear what we're doing here. We turn the generated page into text to reveal the gallery inside. This second view, we're filtering for cities, and we name it Certifications, so we only show cities. And now we have 2 similar looking views. They are filtered differently. Underlying, they show the data from the same database. So we have one database underlying outside the tool chest. We have the button inside the tool chest where we can create new views. We have created 2 new views in this page. We have filtered them differently. The first one for Nature Vacations and the second one for Certifications. As a last thing, we're gonna add a new vacation idea, Montreal. We're tagging that with both nature and city. We select a nice image for that as well, and when we close it, we can see that it shows up in both gallery views. Since the filters both filter out Montreal, it will be shown in both views. I hope this tutorial gave you some insights into shared databases and multiple views pointing to the same data source. We also connected this with our tool chest concept. You absolutely don't have to do that, but it's nice if you want to create views to the same data source multiple times to break it out as a tool. Hope you enjoyed this session. I'm still very interested to hear if you prefer these slow-paced tutorial sessions more, or if you prefer the quicker 100 Days of Notion sessions. Comment below, I'll try to answer everyone. Thanks for joining, and I hope to see you again next time. Have a very nice day.